Dude, I went to take a poop earlier. It's the first time I've ever had it hit the water, and I hear like ice floating around in the toilet, and then my foot slipped on the frozen pee on the ground.
Yeah, let's go take a look at the bathroom. We got the frozen pee on the ground. Crazy.
I don't want to do the project I'm on.
There's let's say. Wow. I believe Everest Base Camp is somewhere right there. You can barely see the summit of Everest. We have made it to Gorakshep, which is the last village before Everest Base Camp. And Everest Base Camp is kind of just over there. And then Patthar, which we're gonna hopefully go up for sunset, is just up there. I think we're at around an elevation of 17,000 feet right now. And this is where we'll be spending the night. There's Trevor working his way down. So we are heading up now to go to the top of Patthar, which is a viewpoint that I think is somewhere above 18,000 feet, which will be pretty cool. And hopefully we can get a view of Everest, sunset on Everest, but it's looking a little cloudy right now, so who knows. But regardless, will be pretty cool to hopefully break 18,000. I had a late start, but the rest of the group is starting to make their way up. Pushing my pace, catching up with the group. He's got a dog following him. And we got the dog with us. bucket list thing to see. Up at the summit of Patthar, feeling pretty pumped to be here. I pushed it about 1,250 feet of vertical gain in about 35 minutes. And I was definitely feeling pretty dizzy, like the final 200 feet. But now I'm up here, I feel a lot better. And the views are just freaking ridiculous. There's the rest of the gang down there. Got Amadablam right over there. And then the Khumbu Icefall down there. Everest Base Camp probably somewhere over there. Everest is hiding its face right now. And then a bunch of other gorgeous mountains. That was a really special moment for me. I had a really, really tough semester this past semester, just like mental health wise. It was probably like my least enjoyable semester of college. And when times would get really tough, I would just listen to this specific music and imagine myself sitting up at this exact viewpoint and watching the sunset over the face of Mount Everest. And even in all of those imaginations and all those times that I would sit there and think about this moment happening, I never could have experienced it being so beautiful. And to actually live out that imagination, that dream, to actually have it come true, it's just a surreal feeling I stayed near the summit for quite a while in the dark to watch the stars rise over Mount Everest. And now I'm trail running down in the dark. But it was absolutely worth it.